Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to take you through the quicker method you can use to solve a 2 by 2 matrix. So if you don't want to use, the complicated or the long method I used in the previous video, so whereby you have to use this property that your A multiplied by A inverse is equal to I. So and you represent your A, perhaps if your A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So maybe you want to find the inverse of A, then you can just substitute, or you represent your A inverse to be A, B, C, D. So then if you now multiply them together, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D is equal to I. Your I is an identity element, which is 1001. I hope you understand now. So you multiply this and you find the value of A, B, C, D. So that's how I explained in the previous video. But if you don't want to use this long method, I have a quicker method I'm going to explain to you now. So which is very cheap and very easy to know. Suppose I have my A again to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to find the inverse of A, then you don't need to stress yourself. Just write 1 divided by, then you now find the determinant of A and put it at the denominator. To find the determinant of A, you multiply the element along the leading diagonal. That is 1 multiplied by 4. 1 times 4 will give me 4 minus element in the second diagonal, 2 times 3, that will give you 6. Then after that, you now have a matrix. In that matrix, you are going to replace, you change the number at the element at the leading diagonal, you interchange them. In essence, you have 4 here, you put it here now. You have 1 here before you put it here. Then after you've done that, then you multiply the element in the second diagonal by -1. So this will now be -2, -3. You understand that? Then your A inverse will now be equal to 1 divided by -2, 4 -2, -3, 1. Can you see it is not difficult to do? Again, what you have to do is, let me give you another example. Let's say we want to find the inverse of this. A is equal to -3, 5, 6, 8. I hope you understand now. So to do that, your A inverse will now be 1 divided by, then you now take the determinant of A. What will be the determinant of A? You multiply the element along the leading diagonal. That's -3 times 8, -24, minus 5 times 6 is 30. Then you have a matrix whereby you are going to interchange the element in the leading diagonal. This will now be 8. This will be -3. Then you multiply -1 by element in the second diagonal. That's -5, -6. I hope you understand. Then your A inverse will now be 1 divided by -54, 8, -5, -6, -3. You can see it is very simple. If you use the first method, you are going to arrive at the same result. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.